What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you know, if you might know, I'm 11 now. So we've been doing a lot of birthday things for me, so haven't been time to catch up with the channel. I've done one video on the other channel, so today I'm going to show you what we're doing. We are going to be exploding these guys, and I got a third one. You shake them up, you throw them on concrete. So I'm going to switch the cameras real quick, the camera side, so you guys can see that. So guys, now that we have your turned around, we're going to, so I'm going to shake all these guys up. We're going to start with this one first. So we're going to do a slow-mo of this one too, so all right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. So that one was kind of a dud. So that was a dud. So we're gonna use this guy. Shake it up really hard. Right now we're gonna throw it. Yep, okay, so that one's done. All right, now for the third guy. All right, send it. 3, 2, 1. All right, so guys, let's go. I'm gonna go examine the damage. So this is the first one. I think this is the first one. I think it's probably second. This is my first one. It's still going, so this is it. Now this guy was the second one. This is the first one. It's still kind of going, it's just leaking. So I'm not bringing it too much close to my camera. And then our last contestant was number 3. And I just cut myself. Oh my gosh, I just got wet. See, it is crazy. So, yeah. It's still going. And guys, now that you can see, I'm officially soaked. So, yeah. So, guys, that is it for this video. And I will see you next time. Peace.